make sure that you check your oil regularly. Once a week is great on the weekend when you've got nothing to do, and this video will help you check that. In most cars now, the things you need to check have a yellow colour. So in particular, we're going to check the engine oil here today, and the dipstick here, it has a yellow colour. So it's to help you identify the things where to check it. The one thing to make sure is when you're checking the oil, obviously the engine's off and the car's on level ground. The first thing to do first is not to check it the first time around. You must wipe it so that you've got a clean stick to start with. Right. Then you dip it a second time, all the way down, bring it back out, and that will tell you with that one pretty much on the full level.
How do we know that it's the full level?
Sometimes it's very difficult to see, but on this one, the two levels are between that point there and there. So the manufacturer has declared that any point between those two is okay to operate. Up at the top is optimum. If it's off the stick, some people think that the actual engine's empty of oil, which it's not. The dipstick only measures, in most cases, the top half litre of the capacity of the sump. It's not measuring the whole thing. So if you see that there's no oil on the dipstick, please don't go and pour 4 litres of oil in the engine. It's then going to be overflowing and it'll be up here somewhere, which is just as bad for the engine.